dude.
Nah,
Nah, I just have to keep up the Amsterdam spirit, I'm afraid. Nah man, like, I went to a fucking coffee shop, right, and I was queuing up, and there was this guy in front of me, and he just fucking blue screened, swear down, he fucking just had a seizure right in front of me, collapsed, yeah, hit his head, was fucking seizuring all over the floor. I was just like, what the fuck is going on here? I was just waiting to fucking get served.
Did you say, I want whatever he's smoking?
Yeah mate, I was just like, give me some of that.
Yeah. Holy shit, I never knew that Kush could come in so many varieties though. Like, I went into a coffee shop and there's actually shops where they actually sell you weed. Like,
Yeah, mate,
proper
there's so many
weed
different
dedicated
things.
shops. And there's so many different variations, like you got different strengths, you got flavoured weed, you got all
Yeah,
sorts.
you got fucking hash, like, whatever you want mate.
What the fuck?
Hashish. You got like
Yeah.
all that kind of shit.
Yeah, I went to Amsterdam about 4 weeks ago now.
Yeah, I just got back mate.
Oh, nice one. Did you smoke lots?
Oh mate, there
have
wasn't
to.
a time where I wasn't fucking blazed streamed as well, obviously.
Did you go window shopping?
Yeah, mate, we went, you know Vondel Park?
Nice, awesome.
Yeah. Now there was quite a few of us, so like fucking walking around was just so
What
slow.
was the occasion?
Fuck knows man, just a holiday, you know.
Nice. I went there on one of my friend's stag do's.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Like the nightlife is so good.
Yeah.
Have you been
To be honest, I'm quite happy just to sit in a
Yeah,
coffee
yeah,
shop
yeah.
and smoke.
Yeah, that's so good as well.
When
But
you're
yeah,
high, you just honestly don't give a fuck.
no, I checked out the red light district as well, obviously.
Yeah, you have to, don't you?
Yeah, you do.
get laid?
No mate, I don't pay for it. I don't need to pay for it. Nah, like my mates went into the fucking. They got slammed, and I just went into a bar with my other mate. Obviously,
Did you go to the Casa Rossa?
Casa Rossa.
Yeah, live sex show.
Oh wait, I went past it, but no, I didn't.
I bet there was a queue about a mile long.
Yeah, there
There
was.
always is.
And there's so many like such a weird variety of like people as well there. Like people with their fucking girlfriend. Like what the fuck? Why would you take your girlfriend to like a
Speedy,
fucking
are you
live
joining
sex
or
date?
what?
Oh, what? Is it starting now? I was just on aim 400 kg. What is it? Hang on. So what is... Oh, it's starting, so yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Gladiators ready!
Line up at the gate.
Yeah, but, who's going first?
I don't mind.
Ludi!
Yeah,
Okay.
send Lily first.
Okay.
They complained about Max. They're complaining about Max.
What? The fuck?
Back out of VK. What trip is VK? What is this? What does that even mean?
I mistyped. I
Hello.
mistyped, leave
Start
me
the
alone.
camera.
Easy punish. Just easy.
Please, please.
I'll go.
Oh, that's easy, that is it.
If he kills you, you're jumping from behind or something.
Oh my god.
Nah, Ludi's got it.
Yo, guys, back off a bit. You're like in the middle of the field.
Easy.
Nice.
Where?
Simple. Just absolute
on.
savagery. Oh,
No! Too aggressive! Oh!
easy.
Oh wow.
Do him. No way.
Savage, man.
Guys, I
Please.
got news for you, by the way. I'm afraid I'll have to break it to you soon.
What?
It involves me joining a clan. That isn't VK.
What? What clan are you joining?
Have you heard of Avatar? The
No.
Avatar clan. I've joined that.
Avatar.
I think it's only just started. It's like...
Why not KS?
Wait, let me give you the URL for the group for fun.
Are you fucking promoting it now? Are you a recruiter? Are you trying to recruit me?
No, I'm just saying. It's just fucking weird because I just joined the clan.
Yeah. Mate, nah.
And it's only just starting. The fucking members, the clan leader's like 15 years old.
And why you not faint at all?
And
Fuck
it's like,
I didn't want to fit for
Fuck
that.
that. I was thinking of
fuck, they're like,
fuck that
oh my God,
15-year-old
dude,
leader.
He won the fucking 1v1 tournament hosted by Nerjo. Holy
He's
shit.
the leader.
Yeah.
Who is it?
It's like
I took a
some
pill
guy,
in a bee, so...
anti...
Join
it's just
attacking.
Weird symbols and shit.
Anti
No, look. Fuck.
eternal prostitute.
No, anti
I'm a Vanguard, by the way,
Wait.
just saying.
Yeah, we've got modern burrito on vans,
Oh, wait,
moody on
which side are we?
at night,
Which side are we?
attacking.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, so if double archer doesn't work out, I'll swap. I'm
Okay.
sure it'll work out with no problems.
What's this name? Anti-Cura, but it's got special symbols. But that's his name.
Easy.
I'm
Yeah,
not sure if you recognize him.
I've known him since like a year or something.
If they call for a pause,
Alright.
would you guys scream at me? Because I probably won't see it in chat.
I'll split you open like a right man.
He's the North remembers. I bet he's ghosting for him.
Ghost!
Go!
Ghost! Ghostbusters! Such a good
Right.
movie.
Alright, Archer, just stay on the cart.
Which one? Kappa.
No, we got two. Yeah, fuck AIDS.
Oh shit, I'm the only nut on this team.
Just don't engage fights as...
You're gonna tank all the shit.
Oh,
Go
restart.
back, go back.
Alright, they wanted a re for
They
some
restarted.
reason.
Gay.
Yeah. They got scared.
Not cool, bro.
Whoa, dude! Not cool!
Whoa, dude. That shit was
That's-
totally gnarly, bro. Oh, fucking hell. You can do a fucking Mexican accent. Someone give me their Mexican accent.
No.
Hola, gringo. Por favor, ese me lo
Por favor, por favor.
Amigo, it's my donkey, senor. Alright, let's do this shit.
Hey, salami boy.
Right, no more memery, let's get this shit done.
Yeah,
Burrito laying it down.
You know I'm probably gonna be like the worst player here.
Nah.
just play the objective, mate.
Honestly, just stand back and let me and Speedy do everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit.
So I hit one over my arms. Come on, let's go.
Double archer.
I'm not even gonna ask this setup.
I
Shit.
appreciate your help.
Let's just wait. We do.
Moving!
What?
Should we push up?
Oh, right, shit. Yeah.
Don't hit
I
me.
might go night. I might go night.
Nah, I'll go night.
Alright.
Double archer
Gnarly.
thing ends now.
He changed the fucking name to Gnarly.
Yeah.
So where are you? You're obviously from the UK. Whereabouts in the UK are you from?
You know County Durham?
No, I do not.
You know where Darlington is?
No idea.
Okay, you don't know where I am then. North East.
Yeah, I'm from Bedfordshire, mate.
Bedfordshire.
Yeah.
North
Bedfordshire.
East. I'm coming. Let's regroup now.
Come out!
Yeah,
Come out wherever you are!
Yeah, we removed them. Where are the archers?
Only one archer, baby. He's no doubt ahead of everyone shooting. Yeah, he's shooting them up.
Yeah.
Oh,
right
nice
side,
spear
right.
mod.
Go
Cancel.
right side, right side. Just push up right. So I had no stamina. Yeah, keep going, Mud.
Nice shot.
Great shot, Speedy. So balanced. There's so much counterplay with that.
Go push.
Regroup.
Yep.
Yeah, pull back a bit.
One more push and we've got it in.
That's right.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna go right side and try ninja.
No, don't ninja, they've got ghosts.
Nah, they already see him, man.
We've got
Yeah, they
ghosts.
definitely do have ghosts.
Don't get collapsed on. Threaten to break right if they push up. Break left even. Took his stupid pink head off. Come on, man,
Help.
let's get the cart!
Oh, just kick Larissa.
There's some arms behind me.
You on the cart?
You push it in,
Push
fam.
you, push then.
Yeah, Laresso's one hit and that man at arms is also injured. Yeah, nice. Easy.
I don't think we quite got it in there.
Almost.
Regroup.
Yeah.
You need to be running Speedy.
We can just hold here, I guess.
Nice shot.
Because they're just...
One
Just
more
hold-
good
hold-
push
hold
and we
here.
got it.
And let Speedy get the shot.
I'm coming up now. We're waiting for mod though, I think.
Look out, Speedy, there's an archer, like on the bridge to your left.
Oh, they actually have an archer now. Guess Speedy's
Good
too
shot,
much of a
good shot.
problem.
Yeah, he's
Let's
on
go,
the...
let's go. Oh, I got hit by it. Oh, I wasn't even looking there to get killed straight away. Bleedy's just gonna have to tank it.
Oh, come on, fuck off.
Fuck.
Regroup.
Speedy, you got it. Kill that knight.
Wait for me, wait for me.
Go left side.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start pushing up now.
Gonna get the outro.
Don't die, don't go too deep.
I'm distracting them, I'm distracting them. Come on, keep going. Get some stamina back, Rob.
Got it in, nobody died.
Behind us, so
Hey
behind
Dan, you
us.
got finally some kills, man.
Yeah, finally got a kill.
Oh, left side.
Got to,
You just wanted that kill so bad, didn't you?
yeah, you moved a bit to the left, you know, and then
Oh,
you
so it's my fault now.
I can't help it when it's just this fucking spear, man.
It's okay.
Shit, what?
Someone just get on that cart.
So close.
Don't let them waste time.
Yeah, I've got 3 on me.
Not bad.
I'm gonna go brandy or
Holy
something.
shit, I survived.
I'm just gonna stand still and heal.
Good idea. Arch is right side, I'm guessing.
Hey Ludi, you push.
Archer's dead, so he hasn't got a
Somebody's pushing,
position
I'm
yet.
low HP.
Yeah, push up.
Yeah, I'll be there soon.
No, it's a Vanguard.
Just support Ludi in fights, he'll carry. I'm gonna go up the tower and see if I can get the archer.
Help me.
Go down, man.
No, he's gonna kick me.
I'm gonna go. We have a scrim against Berserkers now. Good luck.
Alright, see you later.
Yeah, man.
See ya. Just gonna stand still and heal.
Good idea. Look out, the cart's gonna run you over, man.
No.
Right
So
side.
Archer.
Look out for the hill, guys. Like, yeah.
One going left side.
Kill that knight behind us.
Oh, fuck off. Where did he came from?
Oh shit. Sorry. Oh wow. This isn't Mountain Blade Warband, you fucking Vanguard.
Kobe!
Nice.
No, don't leave me here, man.
No.
Shit, that was too slow.
Fuck.
We go.
You have really good positioning this game, Speedy. Like, you're not getting picked at all. And you're running away when we all die.
Only needs ammo.
He's just a pro archer, mate.
Yeah, professional competitive archer. Okay, there's one up right, and the rest are in the tower. I'm just gonna go for the
There
tower.
needs to be more Archer 1v1 tournaments, I think.
What happened to best cudgely?
Oh,
That never
I
happened.
declined my invite to that. It
Wow.
was too memey. Too memey for me, man.
What? They got man at arms now. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Oh, the man at arms blindsided me.
I'll go man at arms. Yeah, someone go
recruit, I
Vanguard
guess,
if
yeah.
they want.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Right, Leady's lagging. Leady's lagging so hard.
You want me, pause?
Give it a bit. If it goes down, unless it goes down, then pause.
Still not going down.
What? Are you using internet?
Yeah, 252 ping.
Yeah, be right back.
I actually can't tell if your ping's still high or not.
Try and put. Wait, you said be right back.
I'll be right back as well.
Try on pausing. I don't actually know.
I think we're
What's
waiting for
using
someone,
these?
aren't we?
Yeah, we're waiting for two people.
Oh, what?
No, one of them just came back.
Okay.
Oh.
Because I know Speedy's here. I think, is it Mod? Yeah,
Someone.
I think it's Mod. Oh, now Lopo's going. What the fuck?
Wow.
Jesus.
I also, while I was gone, I had the longest piss today.
How long was it? Like hours? Are we talking
No,
minutes,
it's
hours? What?
You know when you take a piss and it lasts, I don't know, like,
Yeah.
Yeah, like
50,
forever.
like 10
yeah.
Just doesn't stop.
like you get that feeling when it's about to stop, but it just keeps on going.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm back.
It,
Welcome back. Already?
wait, I'm testing my ping.
Your fingers should be fine now.
Yeah, you're fine on TS.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Waiting for Loresso.
Oh, Loresso. Yeah, he's back, he's back.
No, he's not. He said,
He just said
Oh.
re.
oh fuck.
Wow.
Oh, it's
Come
gone.
on, let's
Yeah.
finish this. One push.
Okay, Moody's ping's fine. Let's drive it in, boys.
I would not rely on one people.
There's a man at arms up right, there's an archer up right as well.
Let me help you, sweetie.
Where's he? Go, go, go,
I'm
go.
down to the
The
car.
epic 1v2.
Alright, whoever's got full health, push it.
I've
And
got
the
full,
rest
I've got
stand
full.
still.
I'm only a measly knight, you guys need to protect me.
Watch out, there's a man at arms up there, he might try and fire pot. Oh, he's got a shield, don't worry.
Alright, speedy push now. Make sure you're back enough for it.
Sorry.
Now I'm in
Yeah, we almost
Trying
got it.
to get Ludi.
Yep.
Oh,
We got Moody alright.
what the hell, man. I thought you were gonna kill him, but then you
Just
got shot.
F1, be ready to F1 straight away.
Speedy,
And
you
just
rush A, I'll
one
go B,
objective.
see if we can fast push this. Mod, go Speedy.
Alright.
Yeah, just F1. I'm going for A.
Let's go. No, let's go B. Everybody go B.
B.
Because I think
Looks like they're all going to be on A.
usually, like,
Don't waste time fighting up here, guys. We need to fight
Let's
on
go.
the
He's
objective.
on B. They got one on B, I think.
And I'm above.
Yeah, we just wasted a whole bunch of time there not doing that properly at all. So now we're going to regroup and then push it together.
Yeah.
Got split up, I think.
If Mod can stay alive though, we'll all go to Mod.
Yeah, Mod's on B.
Get over to Mod, everyone. Hi Mod.
Archer on the right.
I'm
They're gonna
coming.
try and push B though.
Horse winning.
Oh damn.
You got shot, boy.
We
Yeah.
don't know yet.
Mod, stay here. Oh shit, kill this archer. What the fuck? He's got a shot bow.
Just harass him.
Burrito go A. Oh wait, yeah. Help Speedy.
Really, they have
Okay,
an
I'm coming
archer
in, I'm
that we
coming
should
in.
actually win.
Wait for me to flank before you go in. Nearly there, nearly there. Get ready, get ready. Okay, go.
They see you.
Guys, be quick. Hey Speedy, come to me if you can.
Alright, wait. I'm on A.
Speedy, move to me.
Nice,
Got it.
nice.
Nice shot, Speedy.
Nice shot.
Alright, go round C.
Yeah,
Go
yeah,
round
get
the
C
back,
first.
right side. Even though they probably have a ghost anyway. But this is the time to confirm
Yeah.
whether or not they have a ghost.
Ghostbusters!
I think one of us should go go B, start destroying it and like distract a few of them.
Entirely up to you, man. Okay, there's one here, he spotted me.
Who's going B?
I'll go B.
Alright, nice.
There's one here. I'm going to C though, you guys go B.
Yeah, the rest of us rush C.
Looks like he's
I'm
gonna...
going with Ludi.
Okay.
Ludi, madam, above.
Yep, I know. Just hit them that night. Okay.
Just 1, 2.
Oh wow.
Burrito, you keep hitting.
Oh, I got killed straight away.
White. That was a good push though.
Yeah.
Oh, you got that objective quite good.
Alright, let's go log this time. Go log through forest and get
Yeah.
C.
I'm already at the booster.
Yeah,
I'm
go
down.
log through forest and get C. Don't go here, don't go here.
They got an archer up on that wall though.
Yeah, it's okay though. Speedy will get it. Speedy's the best archer.
Oh, it's not an archer. It's Vanguard.
Vanguard! Okay, I'm running around now.
Shot 3 like around us. Oh,
Oh shit, the team hit. Oh,
dying.
we're on A though.
Dying.
I'm gonna come with you, Ludi.
I'm going round the back to see round the wall.
Okay, Ludi, let's go.
They only have one on the wall. I mean one on C even.
There's a man at arms behind us, but you keep going, Ludi. I keep going.
Can someone distract that guy on C?
I'm going to try.
Alright, nice.
I'm going around still, so you're gonna take a bit of time.
I'm gonna help you. Oh, never mind.
I'm pretty sure you see me anyway. Yeah, if someone C's a good like no one's on C pretty much.
Yeah, get C.
I'm going to see right now. Who's...
Alright, man, the
still
Lopo and
empty?
the man at arms is going to sea, but they're pretty
not
fucking
empty.
winded.
So when is somebody coming to see?
I'll be there soon, Mod.
Off.
If he's broken, I'm going to be at sea soon. Just hold out for a little bit longer.
I'm coming to sea as well.
You get in.
Guys, tell me when you come to see. I'm gonna run.
I'm on the
right
Mod,
left.
go.
Come down to the wall.
Shit, there's two here though. There's two here. But they're facing me. They're facing me. Go, go, go. Get the door. Get the door.
I'm running to sea now as well.
Nice spotted.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Good push, Mod. We nearly got it.
I tried my best though.
Yeah. I don't want to mention the team kill. Like maybe we could have got it, but it doesn't matter.
Alright, I think we can get this in one push.
Oh
Regroup.
yeah, definitely. I'm gonna be in forest.
I think like 4 of us could like go round the side, round the wall, and then one of us like
Wait for
kind of
Ludi.
shots down the back.
Wait for Ludi, whatever you do. And Ludi.
Alright, I'll go round the back.
Alright, you need to stagger your push though, Brito. You need to wait for us to be in position.
Yeah, of course.
And if they spot you, like, just kite back, don't fight them.
Yeah.
Because even if you win, like, we're not ready yet.
Yeah.
I'm tired of me. I thirst for blood.
Just tell me when you're ready.
Yeah,
I'm
we'll do.
at
Get
that
ready.
spawn at the minute.
Get ready. Are you in position?
Not yet.
Wait
Oh,
a sec,
nice
wait a
one.
sec.
Yeah, I am now. I am.
Go.
Go, 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 go.
Night 2 back.
Tell me, is there anyone on the
Go.
door?
No.
I got troubles. I got troubles. Troubles. I died.
Good job, Ludi.
Two left.
Kill the peasants.
Nice.
Good
Nice.
job.
What time is that?
9 minutes 21. Actually.
9:16.
Ah.
That was
No, I
nice.
just got so many assists that game.
Yeah, where did I end up on the scoreboard? Was I bottom?
And at least I was in bottom. I was pretty surprised.
I'm not sure. Was I bottom?
Second. No, I don't. No, you actually you were. Sorry.
Fuck, I'm so bad.
Why are you not like mod?
Yeah. It's because I'm a knight, you know. I'm giving all the vanguards the kills. I'm just here to tank them, so you've got something to hit.
That's night killing people.
Again, with Uber, just with everyone, I just give everyone the kills, 'cause I'm just such a nice guy.
I don't expect you to get kills. I just want you to tank the hits.
Yeah, exactly, and that's what I'm doing.
Good job.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, we're ready. We're just waiting for this idiot admin to say ready all.
For the glory of Agatha!
Alright, I'm gonna switch out and go Brandy. Oh, with my fucking cancerous pay-to-win skin.
Oh, you haven't got the Fist of the Burning Sun, have you?
Yes!
No!
I bought it for the helmet.
Oh, charge!
Charge!
I'm gonna
This
go
fire
right.
pot, ignore it. One's going around shed. Push left, guys. Push left. Go for the cart.
I'm lagging. Oh, no.
Oh damn.
My head hurts.
What the fuck?
Mod.
Oh come on, fuck off, you faggot.
That was my bad.
The pressure! Don't carry! This is your first
Going.
race.
Alright, they've fully regrouped.
let Speedy get shots.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, push up.
Yep.
Oh well.
One on the cart.
I'm going to the car.
Damn it.
That's alright, man. The tree was in the way. Guys, push up when you're all full health. Just stand still and then push.
Yep.
God damn, I don't even have assists yet.
Don't worry, it's just the start of the game, mate.
I'm tilted. Okay, I'm here. Let's do it.
Oh wow, I
Fuck
have
Get this brandy.
fucking iPod.
Good job. Full wipe, full wipe.
Nice.
Get health and just wait here, I guess.
Don't let any of them ninja.
They're not going to ninja, it was a full wipe.
Oh, sick.
Oh, that shot.
I hate one of them.
And I have to get killed. Ah. Oh, he team killed, that's good.
Man, all my
What?
kills are getting stolen.
Sorry, dude.
I literally have to avoid killing them because I'll team kill you.
Yo, Ludi, get back a bit.
Yeah.
We want to fight him more where I'm standing. Speedy can get as much damage down as possible.
Right.
Get ready, get ready.
I'm coming, don't worry.
Oh shit.
Damn it.
Good pick up.
Nice.
Another full wipe, I'm coming in.
Nice shot.
Oh,
Oh,
sorry, Ludi. The blue looked red.
Alright, run back a bit and regroup with us and then we'll push up.
Nah, we'll just stay here as usual, but we're just not going to fight him as quickly.
No, because then if we like, if 3 of us die and then our spawns will be out of sync, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. Well, if that happens, just go to the cart. and-
Like, it's worth just like giving a little bit of ground for another full wipe instead of just like
yeah,
taking
yeah,
it
I hear you,
3v5.
man.
Alright, he's ready.
I do need to heal first, though.
Just
Remember,
stand
stand
still.
still. Okay, there's guys coming in now. We're
Go
gonna
back a bit, I want to engage with friends.
casually start walking back. Speedy, get shots. As soon as you two come, I'm running in. Okay. Ludi? Wait for Ludi. This is good, just keep getting back.
I think we should push in now.
We weren't really ready for that instant call.
Oh my god, he was behind us.
One on cart, secure the cart.
Yeah, I'm running to the car.
Ludi, stay there, the rest of us will get the cart.
Okay.
You go left, Creed, I'll go right.
Fall back while you still can.
Good shot. Push up.
Yeah, they're
Get
coming
Ludi.
in.
We're missing one. My bad, my bad.
No shit, get on the
Get
cart,
to
run for the cart.
I'm on a cart.
Just hold out, just hold out. Nice shot, Speedy.
Nice.
Yo, Burrito, we're gonna do like a long flank, okay, and try and go behind them.
Yeah.
I think we should fire at the
Actually,
cart.
everyone gets to
Yeah.
the cart. We'll just stay on the cart now.
Because they got ninjas.
Yeah, yeah. Stay on the cart now. Nice, Ludi. I'm coming, I'm coming.
Oh, you hit me. Oh.
God damn it, Dan, why did you kick?
I wanted to interrupt him because I knew he'd gamble me.
Oh, did I have it?
Alright, they got it now. Just, it's okay though, we're still making good time. Yo guys, stay with me, Ludi.
Yep.
They're gonna push it in.
That potato cooking, nah, that fucking Loresso is just faint spamming. I reckon we can DNF in here.
Good job. I've got no health and no stamina, let's do this. Two behind.
Oh shit, sorry.
It's fine.
No, I'm still alive. Wow.
How are you still alive, Mom?
Holy shit, why am I not dead?
And he got me.
Run away, Ludi.
I didn't even press.
Don't fight, don't fight. Run back.
I'm with you, is it Uber? Virgin Knight.
I'm not Uber.
Oh wait, who is that?
Did you think I was Uber this whole time?
Kind of. I didn't know.
I'm Big Dan.
Big Dan. Big Dan.
I know I'm good, right? Can't tell the difference.
Alright, let's go back to Brandy, fuck the spear.
Run straight into it.
No problem. You got it at least.
What R&B, please?
Yeah, Uber, he actually hasn't had any sleep in the past like day, so he couldn't make it tonight.
Yeah.
Gamble more, you fucking piece of
Yeah,
shit.
I know, right?
Sorry, Speedy, by the way.
I'm coming up to you, Ludi.
Oh,
Ah, sorry man.
the effort for surviving.
Oh, again. Sorry,
Watch
man.
out with this brandy, man.
Alright.
Who's winning?
We are.
Nice.
I
4 on the cart.
Amazing.
3.
3. There's a man at arms lurking now. He's creeping. Nice.
I'm just gonna heal. You can push up now, guys.
Ouch.
The 3 that are still
Did I
alive
hit
are the
you?
ones that just respawned.
Man, the brandy is fucking like just hard to use.
Get ready, get
Why
ready.
use spear?
I'm gonna go in behind Rudy.
You love your teammate, use spear. God damn it, got wiped again.
Does anyone want to go Vanguard and I'll go Knight or something?
Oh yeah, sure, I can play Vanguard.
Alright, sweet.
Okay, we've got 3 vanguards. Okay.
Not anymore.
Oh, okay.
Hold there. Yeah, right. Stop him. Got Rudy behind you.
Rudy. Oh, nice. Speedy got him.
And they pushed too well there.
Obviously, Speedy got him.
Okay. Get health and push up.
Yep.
Oh, they're all alive. I don't know if you want to take it.
To
Take
the
all
right
the
side.
fights.
Yeah.
Should we take all the fights in the tunnel now?
I don't know.
yeah,
Yeah,
from
I
right
could
side,
do.
I think so. Yeah, the ninja in. The ninja in.
just-
Burrito, try and jump down.
Yeah, everybody come back to
Jump down.
Yeah,
jump
there's
down.
3 up here. Get back to
Yeah,
the car.
get the car. Get the car. Get the car. Fuck this. Fight him in the tunnel.
I'm gonna push.
Okay, good job. Check the car.
Oh yeah.
Alright, yeah, I didn't like that. Let's fight in the tunnel now.
Yeah.
I was too close
Yeah.
for comfort. You coming back, guys?
Yep.
We don't want to die. Don't get picked.
I'm just waiting in the trees.
They might try and drop down, so...
Yeah, one of them at arms
He's
is
gonna
on
burn.
the side. Yeah, man, arms incoming.
Knight is running for
Man
it.
at arms is hit.
Yeah,
Nice
they're not
try.
there, but...
Yeah, we didn't fight in the tunnel there. Let's fight in the actual tunnel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn it, was close enough.
Good job, Mod. Yeah, just stay here where they can't drop down on us or anything.
Yeah, but they can fire pass.
So, Speedy can shoot them.
Yeah, true that, actually.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, shit.
Ludi, come back.
Come back to
Come
me.
back, come back, come back.
I'm fucking...
Must be burned and burned! God damn it! Hit
Double
fire, man.
Corby.
Hit fire.
Same again, guys. That was good.
Thanks. Thanks. Thank you, brother. Thanks.
Lady carries so
Thank you,
hard.
brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
No, no.
Thanks.
Came
Thank
from
you,
me
brother.
though.
Thanks. Thank you, brother. Thanks. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thanks.
No,
Thank you,
nothing.
brother.
That fire pot though.
Get ready. They're starting to come from
Thank you,
tower.
brother. Thanks.
Yep.
Thanks. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thanks.
Fear not, brother. I am here.
Thanks.
Yeah, one of them's trying to drop down.
One shot.
We got one going for the cart. Yeah, one in the cart. Oh, good enough. Man, I can't even kill Panda. Like, I'm playing so shit today. It will take me at least a year before I
Get
warm
back
up.
to the tunnel.
Help me! Thank you, brother. Thanks.
Tunnel, guys. Okay, never mind. Ludi got a pick. Well, let's just stay here anyway.
Can't feel safe when I'm here.
Holy shit! Is Ludi just gonna kill them all?
Where are you, Ludi? How many are there?
Just 2. And I'm dead.
Where are they? I'm gonna
Uh,
stay at tunnel.
What the fuck?
They've only got 4 players.
Maybe one rage quitted.
Oh.
We will
I
not
wonder if they're gonna
follow this day.
I don't know.
Get to the tunnel. Get to the tunnel. Wait for Burrito. Don't die there.
Can't get
1
them.
second,
Come on,
he's
Ludi.
full.
Come on, let's go.
I'll run back.
They're running in fear.
I think it would be wise to fight at the tunnel, mate.
Yeah, I think there's a man at arms coming to the tunnel.
They're just like waiting for us to like get ambushed.
There's a man at arms with me, guys. Help.
Yeah, I'm coming to the tunnel.
I got there.
Yeah, just get back in here.
What? They
Don't
just
let
camp
them
the
knock on us.
spawn. They camp the spawn. There's 3 knights coming.
Shit,
No,
just get ready.
2
Just
knights
get ready.
and 1 vanguard.
Kite as back as far as you can, guys.
Yeah, hold him there and I'll just run up behind him.
Good job.
Oh, easy. Kick him, kick him. Done.
Oh, what a suck. That was a fucking slash drag and a half.
Fucking mechanic.
I actually cannot wait for Mordell.
Yes.
Mod, how when?
Yeah, it's going to be so much easier because like
Easy
you're only
game.
going to have to really concentrate on feints and like good animations. You won't have to like be pranging about fucking
Reverse
some like
overheads.
instant reverse overhead like riposte and like 1 frame bullshit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what
Yeah.
you're saying. I hear you, man. We all hear. The entire chivalry community hears you.
It's fucking yeah. Here's me right now.
Oh, I don't know if I want to fight there, guys.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah, that was a bit silly.
questionable.
We have 1 minute though.
Man, arms running around, getting the tunnel.
Nice, dead.
Nice.
For the king!
35 seconds. I don't think we can do it.
Shit. It'll take 35 seconds for them to get done. Fucking
No, I had that. I had that speedy.
Mottits was the big day. Nice.
I'm just in with the cart just in case. GG, guys.
Good.